Thank you. Okay, you should hear me.
I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm ready. And that was Mount Doug. It's a warm one today. What we're stewing at right now, 28 Celsius. And now we're off to Goldstream via Prospect Lake. Definitely a route you have to do if you have a motorcycle. To get out of Victoria, you want to go via Prospect Lake to Goldstream. And you will get a lovely curly ride. Take your time, take it easy. It's very sharp, very narrow. And there are cars coming the other way. There have been a number of accidents there. So take your time out there, but that's the way we're going to go. We're going to join the Island Highway at Goldstream Park, I think. From then we're going to go to Mill Bay, have some ice cream. That'll be about an hour from now. This is okay, we can do it. We're going to go left. Prospect Lake is up that way. Very nice. So far, a bit of fun. This is the nicest way to get out of Victoria if you don't have a time crunch. It's giving me both options here, so let me pull over and just double check that. Nope, I should have gone left. This takes me on a loop up to the mill stream. There we go. Nothing coming the other way. This is it. No wonder you'd never know that this existed. But local traffic only. Well, if we're here, we're local, aren't we? Getting the doubting comments in my ears, folks, but I think the GPS is telling me this is it. Wow, this is steep. Oh, excuse, did I say that? beautiful. I think my Husaberg would be better out here. Right now, I don't think there's honestly enough room to turn this bike around. Sailors felt when they thought they were going off the edge of the world. Should be entering Goldstream Park sometime. I'm getting reports there's a drop-off on the right-hand side, folks. Various expletives being mentioned in the helmet. So Goldstream, whoa, is a provincial park. That hurt. Is a provincial park. Road subject to flooding. What else could possibly come up? This is an epic way to leave Victoria and get to the highway. Still nicer, still better, still more picturesque, more genteel in some respects. It's the camping, there are the walks. And there's the highway. Unbelievable. Look at that. Whee! I did it. Well, that is just amazing. So that's where we came from, right over on the other side of those hills, from Mount Doug, all the way across those hills, and then up this side here. And that was quite the epic ride. Amazing. Never done that one before. Done part of it, but always end up in Langford, never actually out at Goldstream, which was a revelation to me. Okay folks, so we got out of Victoria, went to Mill Bay and had a really nice coffee and ice cream. And we're now, once you leave Mill Bay, just go up from one traffic light to the next, take a left off the highway, and you head on this road, which is going towards the Kinsol Trestle, which is a historical site. It's a trestle with an old railway bridge trestle. It's now part of the, I think, the Trans-Canada Trail, a walking trail, and it's near Shawnigan Lake. Okay, see you.